Every field around the world has its own special jargon, and a particular vocabulary that keeps evolving over time. The same holds true for project management. Do you know, on daily basis, a project manager uses the term schedule about 27 times? Yes, I also missed noticing that. Well, I have compiled some of the most commonly referred terms in project management. These key terms will benefit you, even if you're a seasoned pro. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn the top 10 project management terms, which are frequently used by successful project managers. So, let's dive in, and give your vocabulary the boost it deserves. The first one is WBS. When I started my career as an engineer, I thought, what in the world is that a WBS? Actually, it is a work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure is hierarchical, and it breaks down the project work. It is deliverables oriented, and it really defines the scope of the project. Work breakdown structure breaks different components down to show all the activities that need to be performed to produce deliverables. In essence, it defines the total scope of the project. Number 2 is a milestone. This term is related to the project schedule. A project milestone is a task of zero duration that shows an important achievement is realized on a project. It represents a clear sequence of events that incremental build up until your project is complete. Usually, once a project hit a milestone, the project team celebrate this occasion. This becomes a good cause for a project manager to boost the team morale and celebrate something significant is achieved. The third one is the baseline. A baseline in project management is a clearly defined starting point for your project plan. It is a fixed reference point to measure and compare your project's progress against. This allows you to assess the performance of your project over time. It typically has 3 components that are schedule, cost, and scope. Often, these 3 baselines are separately monitored, controlled, and reported to ensure each is on track. When fully integrated, it may be referred to as a performance measurement baseline. The next one is the triple constraint. It may sound complicated, but it's really pretty simple. Triple constraint in project management says every project operates within the boundaries of scope, time, and cost. A change in one factor will invariably affect the other 2. It's usually indicated by a triangle. Basically, it is all about balancing the time, cost, scope, and quality of your project. It is also referred to as the iron triangle. Number 5 on the list is project lifecycle. Depending on the size, timeline, and complexity, projects are often divided into logical phases. Taken together, these phases represent the project lifecycle. The path a project takes from the beginning to its end is generally referred as the lifecycle. The lifecycle provides a high-level view of the project, and phases are the connecting links. Implementation of each phase is done through the project management process. Number 6 is the Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a tool that graphically displays the schedule information. So, if you look at any planning tools or software, you will find your work breakdown structure, including dates and duration for tasks. This is called Gantt chart. It helps you to check progress with interactive timelines that keep everyone on the same page. You can instantly see everything your team is working on one screen, along with the latest project updates. Number 7 is scope. A project scope is what needs to be achieved, and the work that must be done to deliver a project. Creating a well-defined scope statement is a simple way to prevent scope creep, so your team doesn't get sidetracked by unplanned changes or feature requests. The 8th one is change management. Change management is the process used to manage unscheduled change on a project. Having a process for managing project change helps ensure the transition goes off without a hitch. It refers to Change Control Board. It is a group of stakeholders who are authorized to make approval or denials for things. 9th is stakeholders. They are those with an interest in your project's outcome. They are typically the members of a project team, project managers, executives, project sponsors, customers, and users. Stakeholders are people who will be affected by your project at any point in its life cycle, and their input can directly impact the outcome. It's essential to practice good stakeholder management and continuously communicate to collaborate on the project. The 10th one is the status report. A status report is a detailed and recurring document that helps you, your stakeholders, and your internal team stay honest about your work, progress, budget, and issues. So, these are the top 10 project management terms, which is commonly used by project people. Over the years, just like the discipline itself, the lingo has also developed unique project management terms. However, if you understood these 10 terms correctly, you almost know 60% of the project management terminologies. The concepts and techniques you learned at projectsmind are applicable to all your projects and are used by Fortune 500 firms. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and let us know how you feel about us by leaving a comment in the below section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.